Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019. And before I start, make sure you enable the subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. First of all, I do not know if this is the latest version or not. As you can see here, the version is 13.1.3.42. If there is a most recent version than this, then sorry, that's the most latest version I could find. And I downloaded Adobe Premiere Pro from Get Into PC, as you can see right here. And I have uploaded Adobe Premiere Pro to mega.nz for faster downloads. When this video gets outdated in like 1 or 2 months, make sure you go to Get Into PC exactly right here to check if there's any updates. It says here this post was last updated on 7th July 2019. So when this video gets outdated, make sure you go to the website to check for any updates. And of course the link will be in description to download Adobe Premiere Pro. You can choose where you're gonna download it, but I have uploaded to mega.nz. Once you're here, make sure you have disabled transfer with Mega desktop app, because it will download the Mega app, and then click download. After you have downloaded Adobe Premiere Pro, this is what you should see. Open the .rar folder, then open the folder that has here, and then open the setup.x. You do not need any keys to unlock Adobe Premiere Pro. It's already cracked. You just need to install it. We're gonna wait for a bit right here. Here click yes, and this is what you should see when you open the setup. Choose your language and where you want to download it, and click continue. So before I started the recording, I downloaded Adobe Premiere Pro to check if everything is okay and how much time it took to install. So the installer took 6 minutes. I know it's a lot of time. In total it's about 3.5 gigabytes. So the installer will take 6 minutes on an SSD. I do not know how much it will take on a hard drive. And yeah, I will see you in the end of the installation. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see right here, the installation has finished. Just click close and the installation will close up, and you will see that there is no shortcut for Adobe Premiere Pro. Just go to the search and type Adobe, and you will see right here there's the application. Go to the folder where you have downloaded Adobe Premiere Pro and drag the application to the desktop to make it a shortcut. And as you can see right here, it says Adobe Premiere Pro. This is gonna take about 2 minutes to load everything, and I'll see you again when it's opened. Okay guys, I'm back again, and as you can see right here, Adobe Premiere Pro has just opened. I'm gonna load my test project right here. It's gonna load a bit, and if we go up here in the top where it says Help and Adobe Premiere Pro, you will see that it says Adobe Premiere Pro. It does not say any free trials or anything. The version is 13.1, and yeah, as I said in the intro, if there is a most recent version, then sorry, that's the most recent version I could find. So that's a video guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.